Hello. Welcome to an OBS tutorial on how to add a background to your webcam. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, I'd really appreciate it. And the next thing you want to go ahead and do is get your webcam looking all nice and pretty. You're going to want to remove the background to that. If you guys need a plugin for removing a background, I will put a link for it in the description down below. And then it'll take you to the OBS website itself, so you can make sure that you agree with it. Then you just click on this, and then you can go ahead and get the background removal plugin. And then to download it, you're just gonna go ahead and go to download on here. Sorry, I pressed on the wrong link. That's why I froze for a second. And then just choose what download you want, and then go ahead and add the plugin to your OBS. We have another tutorial on how to add plugins, but let's get back to the background removal. Or not the background removal, but the giving a background to your video device. So what you're gonna want to do after you remove your background, I would just go into my video capture device, go to my filters, press plus, add that background removal. Now that my background's gone, I could just go to my sources, plus go to image or video, depending on if you want your background to be an image or video. I'll go ahead and just click on this, put my video capture device over it, over the image. I don't know why it just disappeared though, which is kind of weird. Maybe we'll switch it out. Or we'll just use this image. This is the image I was using as my background. So you just choose the image and then put your webcam where you want it to be. And then now that's going to be my background for the video. Now, my background removal isn't the best. If you have a green screen, this will definitely work a lot better, and you'll have like less clipping and all that other kind of stuff. But this is just how you add the background if you want it. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to put them down below. But other than that, it's been an OBS tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.